Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store, so misclick on both devices and typing Send Anywhere in the search bar. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now finally click on receive on an Android and send on XIAOMI. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you'll select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one file. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing allow or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. And now as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!